Today I'm taking a look at the laser level. So it comes with a nice padded case on our instructions. Says that's good for up to 25 meters, and for every 10 meters it should be within 3 millimeters accuracy. And here is the laser level. So the nice thing is we actually have 4 emitters on this one. So we have our Y and Z, and then we have 2 X's. So what's nice about that is that with most laser levels, if you want to get something that is very close to the floor, you can't really get it. You can't turn these things upside down and use them that way. It just doesn't work. But with this being low to the ground, we can get a laser line that is very, very close to the ground. So handy having that in the event that you actually need it. So we got our lock and our unlock there on the front, and it looks like it does come charged. We got our battery compartment here in the bottom. It comes with a 3.7 volt, 18.5 watt hour, 5 amp hour battery. It's a nice size, and I like that that is replaceable. On the top we got switches for vertical and horizontal. So we have options for turning on each laser independently or all of them all at once. This actually comes with a remote, so if we want to set this guy up, we don't want to leave it on. If we have a perfect line right now, we don't want to risk bumping it, we can actually use this to turn it on and off. And we got a charging cable that is USB-A to USB-C. We have a metal mounting plate, so we can screw this to the wall, and then we can use this mount, which has magnets on it, to stick to that. It's also nice, so if you just have a metal structure like some machinery or something, you can just stick it directly to that. We got our 1/4-20 mount, we got a 5/8 mount, so if we want to, we can put this directly onto a tripod, and we have a hole right here on the back, so we can screw this directly to a wall as well. On the bottom of the laser level, we got a 1/4-20. We could put this directly onto a light stand if we want, or we could put it onto this base. The nice thing about that is we can actually swivel it while it's on this base, so if we need to get a small movement, we can do that without having to move the entire tripod. That's cool. So it looks like this remote works right out of the box. Oh, wow. And we can change the output level of those lasers. So if we're working like this, where we got a lot of sunlight around, we can actually make that brighter or darker. And that gets very bright. And we can shut it off. That says we do also have pulse mode. So for that, we're going to press and hold H for 2 seconds. There we go. So it is going to make it a little bit darker, but it's actually pulsing at a very high frequency. So that way, if you want to use it with one of those indicators, it can actually read that laser from a very long distance away. It's going to be looking for that pulse. This actually has the capacity to do that. So I'll turn that off. And it actually has a little light on here so that we know if that is in pulse mode or not. Okay. Looks like we can adjust the brightness just by tapping both of them at the same time. And then we also have lock mode. So I'm going to press and hold. And now we are locked. What that's going to do is it's going to allow us to check at an angle without the thing beeping at us. So normally if we turn this off, it's going to be beeping at us to let us know that it's not at a perfect level. But if you just want to draw a straight line, you want to do that at an angle, we can turn that off and we can see that angled line without it beeping at us. Now I like using light stands just because they are cheap and easy and they can go very tall. So if you need to mount something that is going to be fairly high up on the wall, light stand is an excellent way to go for that. And I have to say that is very nice having this little pivotable mount so that we can get that guy lined up perfectly without having to move the whole tripod. Most laser levels do not have a mount like that. As you can see, we get a nice straight line going up and down so we can line up our screw heads. And then we got our line going straight across so we can line up all of our brackets to make sure that this shelf is going to be perfectly level. So if you're doing DIY work at home, the laser level is going to be a very handy thing to have. I use laser levels all the time. Anytime I'm going to be mounting a shelf or pretty much anything on the wall, I just use a laser level. It's simply the easiest way to get anything done. So overall, that is a very nice laser level.